If you've ever done a non-trivial project in FreeCAD, you might have run into a problem where long-running operations can block up the whole application. So as an example, if you do a polar pattern with lots of elements in it, that can take a long time. So with a small number of elements, nice and quick. But if you accidentally go for a few thousand, then you're going to be blocked up until FreeCAD has finished the calculation. And previously, you wouldn't have any option but to wait until FreeCAD is done. And this is especially annoying if you have unsaved work in FreeCAD that you don't want to lose. So your options then are wait an indeterminate amount of time for the operation to complete, or kill FreeCAD and go back and do your work again when you restart it. So my new feature is we can abort. Great success. And then simply pick a smaller number. And the way this works is, okay, the reason this hasn't been there before is because all of the CAD calculations in FreeCAD are done by the Open Cascade library, and Open Cascade doesn't give you a way to interrupt it. So what I've done is, for some of these operations, they're now done by a separate process. The parent process running FreeCAD writes the inputs over a pipe into a worker process. The worker process then does the work and takes as long as it needs to take, and then writes the results back over a pipe into the parent process. And that means in the parent process, we can click abort to kill the child process, and we haven't messed up any of the internal state of Open Cascade in the main FreeCAD process. So currently I've done this using Unix primitives, which means it's not even going to compile for Windows. And I'm not super familiar with the FreeCAD code base in particular, or with C++ in general, so my code is going to be super bad. But I'm going to open a pull request and see what people think, and hopefully this serves as a blueprint for how it can be done. Anyway, thanks for watching. Goodbye.